Book 1, Chapter 19 of Dune by Frank Herbert starts with an epigraph from Princess Irulan, stating that hardship and oppression are necessary for the development of psychic muscles, setting a thematic tone of strength through adversity for the chapter. Jessica awakens to find herself in a perilous situation, bound, gagged, and at the mercy of her captors, having been drugged by Dr. Yue. The narrative slowly reveals the unfolding betrayal as both the Baron Harkonnen and his twisted mentat, Peter de Vries, stand over her, discussing their plans and the fate of both Jessica and Paul. In this chapter, the complexities of the characters and their motivations are further explored. The Baron's manipulation of promises and power is evident when he offers Peter the Duchy of Arrakis, reneging on a previous promise to allow Peter to take Jessica for himself. Peter, enticed by the greater power and prestige of ruling Arrakis, accepts this offer, showcasing the hierarchy of desires among the Harkonnens. However, Jessica, despite her vulnerable position, astutely recognizes the Baron's duplicity, understanding that the power dynamics at play are a facade, particularly targeting Peter's ambitions. The Baron and Peter's decision to use a deaf guard to execute Jessica and Paul underscores their cunning, intending to circumvent the potential use of the Bene Gesserit's voice against them. This detail exemplifies the level of consideration given to countering Jessica's abilities, emphasizing the threat she and her son pose to the Harkonnens. Yet, through ingenuity and the intrinsic training of the Bene Gesserit, Jessica and Paul manage to turn their desperate situation to their advantage. The moment the Thopter lands in the desolate landscape of the desert, the narrative tension escalates as Paul and Jessica face imminent danger from the guards. Jessica's use of the voice, following Paul's intervention, allows them to manipulate the guards into a deadly confrontation with each other, demonstrating the potency of their trained abilities even in the most dire circumstances. This scene is a pivotal moment that not only showcases their survival skills, but also reinforces the theme of the power of human intellect and will over brute strength. Their discovery of Dr. Yue's sign and a mysterious bundle adds layers of intrigue and hints at a deeper complexity in Yue's betrayal, suggesting that his actions are not solely driven by malice, but perhaps by a conflicted loyalty or a hidden agenda. The realization that danger is still imminent as another Thopter approaches heightens the sense of urgency and the perilous nature of their situation. In conclusion, Chapter 19 of Dune dramatically showcases survival against odds, the manipulation of power, and the inherent strengths of the novel's protagonists. It serves as a crucial turning point for Jessica and Paul, not only in terms of plot, but also in their development as characters, forced into resourcefulness and resilience in the face of betrayal and mortal danger. The chapter blends action, intrigue, and psychological depth, setting the stage for the unraveling complexities of the narrative and the unfolding destiny of the Atreides in the harsh world of Arrakis. If this video was helpful, please hit subscribe to help the channel reach our first 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching. This has been another Bookly Crash Course.